Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is Microsoft Office. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a suite of productivity software developed by Microsoft Corporation. It includes various applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, and others. These applications are widely used by individuals, businesses, and organizations to create, edit, and manage various types of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, emails, databases, and more. The first version of Microsoft Office was released in 1989, and since then it has undergone several updates and improvements to keep up with the changing technology landscape. Today, Microsoft Office is one of the most popular software suites in the world with over a billion users worldwide. One of the key features of Microsoft Office is its ability to enhance productivity efficiency by providing a range of powerful tools and features. For instance, Microsoft Word is a word processing application that enables users to create, edit professional-looking documents with ease. It offers features such as spell checking, grammar checking, formatting tables, charts, and more. Microsoft Excel, on the other hand, is a spreadsheet application that allows users to organize and analyze data. It offers features such as formulas, functions, charts, graphs, and more. With Excel, users can perform complex calculations, generate reports, and visualize data in a meaningful way. Another popular application is Microsoft Office Suite is PowerPoint, which is a presentation software. It enables users to create visually appealing slideshows with animations, images, videos, and more. PowerPoint is widely used in business, education, and other fields to deliver presentations and communicate ideas effectively. Outlook is an email client that enables users to manage their email accounts, calendars, and contacts in one place. It offers features such as email sorting, filtering, categorizing, scheduling, and more. With Outlook, users can stay organized and on the top of their emails and appointments. In addition to the above applications, Microsoft Office also includes other popular tools such as Access, Publisher, OneNote, and more. These applications are designed to meet the specific needs of different users and industries. In conclusion, Microsoft Office is a powerful suite of productivity software that provides users with a range of tools and features to enhance their productivity and efficiency. It is widely used by individuals, businesses, and organizations to create, edit, and manage various types of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, email databases, and more. With Microsoft Office, users can accomplish their tasks more efficiently and effectively. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is Microsoft Office is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.